health disease concept according to Gheranda Samhita. Gheranda Samhita is one of the important texts of Hatha Yoga written by sage Gheranda. It is in the form of dialogue between Gheranda, the preceptor, and the Chandakapali, the disciple. The yoga discussed in Gheranda Samhita is called Gatastha Yoga, also known as Sapta Sadhana. The word Gatha refers to the body. Gatastha Yoga means yoga based on the approach through the body. Gheranda Samhita is an important manual of yogic practices describing more than 100 yogic practices of varied nature. These are classified as follows. Kriyas, they are 21 in number. In that, Dauti 13 types, Basti 2 types, Neti 1 type, Trataka, Nauli, and Kapalabhati 3 types. Asanas are 32 in numbers. Mudras 25 in numbers. Pratyaharas 5 types. Pranayama 10 types. Dhyanas there are 3 types. Samadhis are 6 kind. Total yogic practices are 102. In these yogic practices, there is a gradual evolution of the process from physical to metaphysical through psychological. The ladder consists of 7 steps, that is Saptanga Yoga. The end is always kept in view throughout the successive steps. Shodhanam Dridhatha cha Stairyam Dhairyam cha Laghavam Pratyaksham cha Nirliptam cha Gatasya Sapta Sadhanam. The 7 aids for conditioning the body are Shodhana, that is purification by Shatkarma, Dridhata, strength by Asana, Sthairya, steadiness by Mudra, Dhairya, composure by Pratyahara, Laghava, lightness by Pranayama, Pratyaksha, realization by Dhyana, Nirlipta, isolation by Samadhi. Now, first we look into the Shatkarma. One should practice the following 6 purificatory methods. Dautir bastis तथा नेति लौलिकी त्राटकम तथा कपालभातिश्चैतानि षट्कर्माणि समाचरेत्. These processes cleanse various internal organs and parts of the body using air, water, friction or with an appliance and by manipulating movements. The Kriyas also classified according to mode and region of cleansing. Mode of cleansing by air Vatasara Kapalabhati, by water Vamana Dauti Varisara Jalaneti, by friction Danta Dauti Vastra Dauti Sutraneti Dantamula Jihvamula, by manipulating movements Agnisara Nauti Trataka Vatabasti Jalavasti. Regions of cleansing: nasal pharyngo audio cranial region, Neti Kapalabhati Trataka, gastroesophageal region, Dauti, anorectal intestinal region, Nauli and Basti. By giving exercise and applying pressure stimulus to the muscles and nerves surrounds a particular part, they give it a necessary tone and vigor. Naturally, diseases and internal disorders are cured Gastric heat is increased, old age is deferred, and the practitioner is blessed with a beautiful form and radiant health. Hence, the clinical application of Shatkarma in yoga therapy is very encouraging. Asana. Asanena bhavet dridam. Sage Geranda says that asanas strengthen the body. He mentions 32 asanas that bring success in this world of mortal being, that is Mrityuloka. He highlights asanas like Siddhasana and Bhujangasana as helpful for spiritual purpose, including Kundalini awakening. Asanas like Padma, Bhadra, Simha, Mayura, Bhujanga are helpful for Sarvaroga Vinasha. Asanas like Bhujanga, Makara, Mayura, etc. increases Dehagni. Hence, these are the asanas used in yoga therapy for curing and preventing disease. Mudra and Bandha. Mudraya Stiratha. Mudra brings about steadiness. According to Ghiranda Samhita, there are 25 mudras. This appears to be an inclusive group comprising mudras, bandhas, and 5 kinds of dharana. Mudras are practiced to awaken Kundalini, bandhas are practiced along with pranayama. The main aim of practicing mudra and bandha are jara mrityunasha, cure diseases and bestowing of siddhis. For example, Mahamudra cures Valita, Palita, Jaranasha, Mrityunasha, Kshaya, Khasa, Uda, Vartapli, Hajirna, Jwara and all diseases. Sage Giranda explains that each mudra has different benefits. Pratyahara. Pratyaharena dhirata. Pratyahara results in calmness. By destroying desires, the mind should be withdrawn from the 5 sense organs. Shravana, Chakshu, Sparshana, Ghrana, Rasana. One should observe whether the impressions are good or bad and bring the mind under the control of the self. This practice helps reduce stress levels in the patient and is therefore applicable in yoga therapy. Pranayama. Pranayama Lagavam. Before practicing pranayama, one should look into sthana, kala, mitahara and nadi shuddhi. Nadi shuddhi is of 2 kinds, samanu and nirmanu. Samanu nadi shuddhi is done by bija mantra, nirmanu done by dhauti karma. After nadi shuddhi, one should assume an asana and begin pranayama. There are 8 types of kumbhaka mentioned. Sahita kumbhaka, that is again 2 types, sagarbha and nigarbha. Surya Beda, Ujjayi, Shitali, Bhastrika, Brahmari, Murcha, Kevali. These are primarily applied in yoga therapy to improve health, cure disease like jwara, pliha, etc. and rejuvenate the body. Dhyana. Dhyanat pratyaksham atmanaha. Dhyana leads to realization of the self. Sage Geranda describes 3 kinds of dhyana. Stula dhyana, concentration on a concrete object, real or imaginary. Jyoti dhyana, meditation on light. Sukshma dhyana, meditation on Brahman as Bindu, the ultimate reality beyond Kundalini. Success in Sukshma Dhyana is attained by Shambhavi Mudra, having pursued the self through Dhyana Yoga. The next step is Samadhi, by which one realizes one's identity with Brahman. Samadhi, the last step of Saptanga Yoga. Samadhina nirliptam cha muktihi. Samadhi leads to isolation, which is verily liberation. Detaching the mind from the body, one should merge it with the Paramatma. This is known Samadhi, which is not a state of any kind of consciousness. Samadhi is a synonym of Raja Yoga and is described as sixfold. Shambhavi Mudra leads to Dhyana, which is ultimately leads to Samadhi. Same, likewise, Khechari Mudra leads to Rasananda, which takes us to Samadhi. Amari Mudra leads to Nadha, then Samadhi. Yoni Mudra leads to Laya, then Samadhi. Bhakti Yoga leads to Ashtasatvika Bhava, then Samadhi. Manomurcha, restraint of mind, which leads to Samadhi. Through Samadhi, the quality of Nirliptattva, detachment, is attained, and thereafter Mukti, that is liberation. By all these Saptanga Yoga, Sage Geranda says one can destroy diseases and overcome unnatural death. Hence, all these sadhanas are helpful for maintaining health and rejuvenation. Thank you.